Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to talk about the Realme Ui 3.0. Should you update or not in the Realme GT Neo 2 device? And this is the exact comments friends which I'm getting from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video. The main reason is because just a couple of days back the Flipkart, there's a huge deal did go off on this Realme GT Neo 2 device regarding 23,000 rupees, and after that a lot of users did receive this device, and after receiving the device they were able to get this update which is about 4.93 GB size, which is a beta version, and they are commenting under my videos asking me that should we update to the latest version or not. Can you please give your thoughts? So that's what this video is about friends, where I'll try to discuss about all my experience of using this Realme Ui beta version in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. And there is a difference friends between the beta version and the normal version, which you should definitely know always. And I'm using this beta version for the past 50 days. 50 days I am trying to use this beta version in my device. So I do know all the problems and all the issues and all the advantages and disadvantages about this update. Please watch the video till end. And one more quick note, in case if you want to know more information about this Realme Ui beta version, always check the playlist on the Realme GT Neo 2. In the playlist you can actually find all the videos which are uploaded for the past few weeks. You will definitely know more about this Realme Ui 3.0, what's going on and what are the problems and what are the issues. And in this video let's cover this topic friends. I'll try to include all these points. So performance, battery, display, camera, connectivity, is it worth to update or not this beta version? So first, quick note, beta version will be having a lot of issues and a lot of problems. That's the reason it is called the beta version. I'll try to definitely advise you one thing. If you are using this one device, like if you don't have any other secondary smartphone, and if this is your primary device, do not update to the beta versions. I will always suggest you wait for the stable updates only. So the users like me who are having multiple phones, maybe 3 phones or 2 phones, so if there's some problem with this phone, they can use different phones, something like that, then definitely go ahead and update. But if you're having only one phone, Realme GT Neo 2, do not update to the beta version. I'll try to explain you why I did mention all these things as well. So first thing regarding the performance, I did not see any kind of performance problem in this device friends after the Realme Ui beta version, but slightly the temperatures are increasing. Temperatures are increasing up to 40 degrees. Before it used to increase only up to 36 and 37, but temperatures are increasing. That's the one thing you will notice. Not only while doing benchmarks, even for normal usage also you'll see the temperatures are slightly increasing higher than the normal. That's what I did observe in my usage. And regarding the CPU throttling and is any kind of throttling happening or not, regarding that, I did not see any kind of throttling happening. It was really good, pretty good. Solid I'm getting, as you can clearly see friends, always about 90%, always. That's pretty good in this device. And regarding the performance in the gameplay, high refresh rate games still not yet supported in this device. High refresh rate games, you cannot play high refresh rate games, not only in this device, even in the other Realme phones as well, because of this Realme Ui problem. So regarding the performance, I'm kind of okay, I would say, not great. Next is regarding the battery backup and the charging speed. Charging speed is fantastic friends. My phone was able to charge in 36 minutes and 37 minutes, no issues. And battery backup also feels really very good. I'll try to show you the screenshot as well. Whatever I'm trying to mention, everything as a proof. Without proof, I will not talk, okay? So try to watch my videos as well. So battery backup seems to be pretty good in my device. 8 hours, 7 hours, fantastic, no issues regarding the battery backup in this device overall, which is really good regarding the battery. For me, I'm getting kind of okay. I cannot guarantee that every user will be having same type of battery backup because each person usage will be different, right? That's the reason. So next thing regarding the display, I did not notice any major differences with the display. Same thing as usual, nothing much problems. Next thing regarding the camera also, I did not, display wise I forgot to mention. Sometimes you may notice the always on display doesn't work sometimes. And next, edge lighting also will not work. And fingerprint also will not work. I mean, it works, but it's kind of slow for some users. But for me, it's not that much big deal. But some of the users did face this kind of issues, like always on display, fingerprint, edge lighting effect. These are the reasons. Next thing is regarding the camera part. Camera part, I did not see any kind of huge difference in the camera friends. So especially everything is completely same. Apart from this kind of new type of interface you will be able to see when compared with the previous Realme Ui 2.0 to 3.0. That's it. Apart from that, I did not see any kind of huge difference in the camera. So next thing, regarding the connectivity, also pretty good. Wi-Fi connection is pretty strong. 4G plus also not bad, I would say, not bad. Little bit I did feel 4G plus signal slightly got decreased, but not that a big issue. So overall, okay, so let's conclude the final video. Final thing, is it worth to update or not? Can you please explain? So final thing is that, friends, I will not recommend you to update, but if you have the other phones, other maybe secondary, or if you do have two phones, then definitely go ahead and update, because sometimes with this kind of beta versions you may be able to face some issues, so random issues. So I cannot guarantee that. So please wait for the stable update. Even if you get the download of 5 GB, you can keep it like that. No need to download it. After the stable version released, the beta version will get automatically deleted. And next thing, stable version will be releasing in the March by the end of the March. That's what the expected time is regarding the stable version in this device. So please make sure to follow my channel regularly for more updates. And don't forget to check out the playlist, especially, friends, the playlist of the Realme GT Neo 2 device. The playlist only will help you to solve all the queries what you're having regarding the smartphones. So this is my complete experience, friends, of using the Realme GT Neo 2 with the Realme UI 3.0. As I said, this is my usage with this Realme UI 3.0 for the past 50 days. So definitely I do have plenty of knowledge and information about this Realme GT Neo 2 device. And haptic feedback is also fantastic. And we cannot use haptic feedback while gaming. That's another drawback. And high refresh rate games also I cannot play in this device. So that's also another letdown. So apart from this one, friends, there's nothing much major problems in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And one more thing about the battery backup. For me, I'm getting pretty good battery backup because I'm not that into the gaming oriented. So I don't play much games, and most of my connectivity will be only with the Wi-Fi connection, not with the 4G plus connection. So that's something you should know. My usage is completely different from your usage. For me, no gaming, only just WhatsApping and texting and replying to the comments. Only those are my duties using this Realme GT Neo 2 device. That's the reason I'm getting slightly better screen on time, I guess. So this is the thing, friends, with the beta version. The final conclusion is that if you do have this only one phone with you, do not update to the beta version. Always wait for the stable version, because there will be issues you may not be able to face now. Maybe in the future you might be able to face it. And the stable version will be released very soon in the March. Even I don't know exactly the date. Make sure to follow my channel, friends, for more latest updates on the Realme GT Neo 2. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, for more updates, and bye.